In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Navigating QuickBooks Online can be quite the task, especially if you're setting up your chart of accounts for the first time, so let's walk through it step by step. First, if you haven't already, you'll need to go to the QuickBooks website. If you're new to QuickBooks Online or don't have an account yet, you'll first need to sign up. Follow the prompts to create your account, and once that's set, you're ready for the next steps. For those of you who already have an account, go ahead and click on Sign In on the QuickBooks Online page. Enter your account credentials to log in. During the login process, watch for a I'm not a robot checkbox, and be sure to click it. It's a simple step, but crucial to ensuring you're able to proceed smoothly. After verifying, click Continue and proceed by entering your password. When finished, click Continue again to move forward. Now you'll choose your company file. This is especially important if you have multiple companies set up within QuickBooks. Once you're within the QuickBooks dashboard, navigate to the settings icon. Look for Chart of Accounts. This is where we'll be focusing today. Now it's time to create a new account. Click on New Account to begin this process. You'll want to fill out the necessary fields, which typically include the account type, detail type, and account name. This is your chance to organize your accounts logically, so it matches your business needs. Take a moment here to structure it in a way that makes sense for the future. When you're ready, go ahead and click on Save. You also have the option to edit existing categories at any point. Just find the account you want to adjust in your chart of accounts. To make those changes, click the drop-down arrow under Action and select Edit. After making your desired adjustments, click Save to update the records. Sometimes you might find it necessary to consolidate categories. QuickBooks offers a merging function where if you rename one category to exactly match another, it prompts you to merge them. This can be incredibly useful for simplifying your accounts and reducing redundancy. And there you have it. You've just set up your chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. Remember, spend some time exploring all the setup options. These configurations will help keep your financial records organized, making reporting simpler in the long run. Happy bookkeeping, and thanks for watching.